Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and somebody sent me this file for printing. And my only question is, this isn't a very good file. It's not very clean. I might make 2 videos on how to clean this up. It's got it's jagged edges, but if they can use this, I'm going to show you how to do it and cut that out. You cannot add any vector lines because this is not really, it's a PNG file. It's not even a vector file, but there's a way to add a cut line to this. So I'm going to go and not do anything, and I'm going to go ahead and outline trace and clip art and trace it. And it's going to clean it up a little bit, but it's not going to be perfect. Then first of all, I'm going to change my nudge factor to like 8 inches. And then I'm going to grab that copy and move it over and see which one's mine. And mine is going to be the sharper image, but it's going to have some faults, but that could be cleaned up. So because this is now a vector image, we can go to object, group, and ungroup it. And then this is a totally different object. And then I'm pretty sure, well, probably the safest way to do it would be to draw a rectangle. Fill the rectangle in with another color besides, something visible like red. Fill that in, and then I'm going to nudge that all the way over to the left, and I'm going to left click, right click, and there's a cut line, but you have to go to object, break curve apart, and then you can take that and make it red, and then make sure it's a hairline. I hit F12 on the keyboard to give it a hairline. And now that is a cut line around that teardrop. Now it is right on the mark. Quite possibly it's because I did mine and mine's a little clearer. So it's not right on the mark. It could use a little cleaning up too, but you can always take the shape tool and alter that just ever so little bit. Just grab that node and bring it in. Of course, I would delete that node and, delete. Matter of fact, I'd go around here with the smoothing tool, but I'm not 100% sure this is going to help them. But that would cut out the teardrop. As you can see, it's a cut shape. It is a hairline, and it'll work. If that works, that might be good enough. If it doesn't work, I'm going to make a second video later today, quite possibly on how to use this one, which would be a lot sharper. Now we got a lot of colors in here and a lot of jagged edges, but that could very easily be cleaned up. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.